This is Thomas. Thomas is the president of a company that could be a lot like yours. He's been investigating managed print assessments to try and do a better job of controlling print-related costs and to modernize business processes. After investigating a lot of managed print companies, including his current provider, he was concerned that they weren't doing enough to modernize his outdated and time-consuming business processes. They only looked at devices and page outputs and didn't really focus on his people or his digital transformation goals. Then one day his luck changed. He finally met a provider that offered an assessment that included the Print Audit Insight Business Intelligence Dashboard. Yep, you guessed it. That's us. Thomas could tell right away that our Insight assessment was designed to help him get a handle on not just what was printed, but how workflows could be improved by focusing on users and business processes. Thomas learned that Insight combines device, user, and document-related data in a dynamic dashboard view that is simpler to understand and yet much richer in actionable data than traditional assessments. He could see that it was web-based and drillable to allow him to dive deeper into the who, what, where, when, and why of document production in his office. Insight also allowed us to work hand in hand with Thomas to understand where certain workflows were broken and come up with ideas together on how they could be improved. Are you ready to start your digital transformation? Our Insight assessment includes rich user-level analytics, the top 10 people printing, uncover costly printing workflows by individuals so you can look for ways to make them more cost-effective and efficient, top 10 people printing color. Color printing is 8 to 10 times more expensive than black and white, and it doesn't have to go unchecked. Average cost of print per user. Understand what your cost per user is and benchmark them against the industry average. Rich document level information. Top printed documents by company and by user. Application level details for color printing. You'll see how much print is happening for email, web printing, photos, and more, so you can make better decisions about where to improve workflows. Unparalleled device level details. Which devices are good for managed print and which ones aren't. Utilization levels and comparisons for your entire fleet. Job size analysis to ensure you're using the right devices for the right printing. If you're like Thomas, you deserve a provider who is concerned about more than just getting your page revenues. Thanks to the power of our Insight assessment, you can. Are you ready to learn more about how the power of Insight can help your company to improve workflows and reduce office printing costs by fixing broken workflows? Contact us today to set up your very own personalized Insight demo. It could be the start of some incredible improvements to help your business be all that it can be.